I'm Eileen Hebets, and I am going to be giving the next Nebraska Lecture. The topic is arachnids, all things arachnids. It's going to focus on my research as well as some of the engagement that I do using arachnids. Oh, check this out. So there's a little spider here. Do you see it walking along that? Everybody knows spiders. Everybody is familiar with some other arachnid groups, and they have an immediate reaction. And whether that reaction is, oh my God, they're so cool, I love them, I have a tarantula, or oh my gosh, I hate them, I am so afraid of them, don't get me anywhere near that. But what I found is that even those people, they can't help themselves and they're scared, they are put off, but yet they still inch their way forward and listen in. So this is an orb weaving spider that has kind of that traditional web that we think of when we think of spiders. I am planning on doing some hands-on audience participation, so that may be fun. Maybe I'll get the Chancellor up on the stage and play some games. I'm kind of hoping that he's game for that. Really, I hope that everyone will leave with a newfound appreciation for Nebraska nature. One of the things I'm really going to hammer home is, stop and take some time, walk more slowly, observe things around you, and some of the observations that you make may have never been seen before. The natural world around us offers incredible opportunity for transformational research that we don't necessarily see before we start to explore it.